Hi, I'm Radu Popescu. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy a PowerShell script in SCCM. First method, application model. From software library, applications, right-click and select Create Applications. Here select manually specify the application information since it is a script. Next, complete the fields with the corresponding information. Next, you can add a custom icon if you want. Here, add a deployment type. As a type, select Script Installer. Next, specify the name of your deployment. Now choose the path where your script is saved. For the installation and uninstallation program, choose the corresponding scripts. Then modify the command as followed. Leaving the script alone will not be called unless you specify powershell.exe -file. Next, add your detection method. In the script, we have defined a registry key. By the end of the script execution, this key will be present on the machine. That's why we use it as our detection method. You can also choose a file as a detection method if you think that suits you better. For example, your script copies a particular file to some location. Now, in user experience, select installation behavior, install for system. Modify other options based on your needs. Skip next steps if you don't have any requirements or dependencies. Next, let's move to legacy package model. From software library packages, right-click and choose Create Package. Complete the necessary information. Check this package contains source files and browse to your saved location. Next, create a standard program. Choose a suggestive name because here you will only create a program for the installation step. As command line, browse to your installation script. As mentioned previously, the PowerShell script will not be executed unless powershell.exe is called beforehand. Edit the rest of the options based on your needs. Specify any requirements if needed. Proceed to the next steps. Now, under the Program tab, you can create now an app uninstallation. Follow the previous steps. Finally, you can use the SCCM built-in script import function. Here specify the script name, script detection, and then click import to load your script. Make sure you fill out the script timeout seconds, otherwise you will receive an error. In the end, the script needs to be approved. If you have the necessary permissions, you can do it by yourself. That's it.